vocalics. They refer to the vocalized but not verbal aspects of non-verbal communication. They include speaking rate, pitch, tone of voice, your vocal quality. Because all these things convey a lot of meaning, they are known as paralinguistic feature of our communication. They reinforce the meaning. They tell others that how confident we are, and they also sometimes contradict the meaning. Verbal fillers. Verbal fillers are the small verbal aspects which we use in our conversation. For example, while talking, we may use I know, you know, well, I mean, etc., etc. So they can mar or spoil your communication. They have a negative effect in the process of communication, and they reduce the credibility of the speaker. That is very important to understand. So it is very important that you must know how to eliminate these verbal fillers from your communication. So one thing other, that they make you less persuasive. So to be confident speaker, you need to get rid of these verbal fillers. Become a higher self-monitor to eliminate them. You must know that which verbal filler you commonly use in your conversation. So by knowing this, you will be more confident, you will be more persuasive. Volume can help you achieve communication goals related to maintaining your attention. So when you use a certain right amount of the volume, it will really help you in achieving the effective response from the other person, and you will become an effective speaker. So vocal variety increases listeners and speaker engagement. So when you are using the right amount of volume, when you are using the right amount of speaking words, when you are using the right amount of pitch, when you are using the right amount of your tone, and when your vocal quality is very well, you and your listener will have a better interaction, better verbal and non-verbal interaction. Beside that, your listener will understand you well because you are using the right amount of volume. Your word rate is right according to the situation. You are conveying your information, which is important, through pitch, through tone, right? So it is very important. And similarly, it can help you recall the information. When you use a certain pitch, and it means that you are conveying something very important, and it refers to some past event. And most of all, it can motivate each other. The speaker and the listener can be motivated by this verbal interaction, because this verbal interaction has a right amount of non-verbal communication, non-verbal gestures or non-verbal paralinguistic features in it.